Chocolate Museum. M&N Chocolate Museum is the nation's first ever chocolate museum that promotes the health benefits of dark chocolates. It is located in Ooty. Opened back in 2013, the museum is run by local families in the area. The place will sharpen your knowledge of how chocolates are made, and a step-by-step procedure will be shown. The M&N Chocolate Museum showcases tools and technology used to make chocolates throughout history, and is one kind of shop where you can buy some classic chocolate varieties. The museum explains the history of the chocolate making dating back to 1500 BC, when the Mayans used to make cocoa drinks from the cocoa beans. If you have some little ones in your gang, trust us, they will love the experience here. This chocolate museum has over 100 chocolates on display. The museum has also entered in the LIMCA Book of Records for creating India's longest chocolate bar, which is 18 meters in length. Premium, vintage and classic collection of chocolates sold here that make for great gifts.